Hey, in this video, I will show you how to zoom in and out of photos on your iPhone. It's a very simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing you want to do is obviously go on your photos, and I'll show you how to zoom in of photos and in general of a lot of photos if you want to see them in higher grid. Let's start with a specific photo. So when you zoom in and you pinch a little bit and you pinch a little bit on your photo with two fingers, or if you have troubles with accessibility, you can click three dots and zoom in. You can't really zoom in that much. So what you want to do is actually click on edit at the top right corner. From there, you want to navigate to crop at the bottom. There, you want to pinch in and pinch in and pinch in and do that. And here, you actually can zoom in a lot more than anywhere else. You can even save the photo. If you want to zoom in and out of all your photos, what you want to do is click on zoom out, just like so, or zoom in, and you can have a lot of grids and actually zoom in a lot more than on in any other way. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out.